Right now, I'm gonna show you how to use T23 Duo on accessing internet for free using Opera Mini 4.2 and of course Globe prepaid SIM. Okay. All you have to do is just go to the menu and then choose the Pinoy and then choose the My Java. I know, no, not that one. The My Java. It's Java. Yan. Then, Java. And then, dun sa Java, makikita nyo na yung mga application that you installed to your MyPhone T23 Duo. And then, like what I've said earlier, we're gonna access internet using the Opera Mini 4.2 Duo. Just a reminder, guys, make sure na before you access internet using your phone via Opera Mini T23 Duo, just make sure na na-download nyo na siya and install nyo na siya on your phone and na-configure. For details on that, all you have to do is just log on to Facebook and then look for the My Phone T23 Duo fan page. Actually, ang pangalan ng page, if I'm not mistaken, is T23 Duo. And then sa discussion, nakalagay na doon on how to configure, how to download, where to download it, and how to configure your Opera Mini for your T23 Duo. Again, guys, it's all for free. Once na mapili na po natin itong Opera Mini, kasi ako, nagkamali ako ng download. I don't know why I'm using Hello Kitty Opera Mini 4.2 version, pero dito ko na nasave yung mga bookmarks ko for social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and many more. Ito na yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Once na mapili natin siya, i-launch lang po natin siya. Launch. Hindi lunch, launch. Kasi baka akala nyo tanghalian lunch. Ayan, just tapos once na makarating tayo sa startup page, makikita man po natin yan. Pag pinindot natin yung gitna. I don't know what you call this one. Ayan, pag pinindot natin yun is, makikita natin tong save configuration and okay, diba? Tapos, click lang po natin yung okay. Once na maklik natin yung okay or matouch natin yung okay, automatically papasok na po tayo sa Opera Mini interface. As you can see, ang makikita po natin dito yung mga history, yung mga huli natin binuksan. Ako kasi lagi ako sa Facebook. So, ang history ko is Facebook. And then, just touch lang po natin kung ansan man natin gustong pumunta. And just press okay. Sa baba po, makikita natin yung connecting. Nagko-connect po siya going to Facebook page na kinilik ko po kanina. Yun po yung history ko. And it will direct you, to your Facebook account. Kung nakalagin na po kayo at na-remember po ng Opera Mini nyo, yung inyong Facebook account. Kung hindi nyo po siya nilag off nung huling in-access nyo po siya. As you can see, ayan, nakapag-login na po tayo sa Facebook and that's my Facebook account. Okay. Ayan. Guys, I would like to inform you that this is all for free. I mean, no charge. You can access internet for free using your MyPhone T23 Duo and also Opera Mini 4.2 version. Actually, you can also use the 5.1. I have also 5.1. Marami akong install na Opera Mini on my phone kasi may mga nakikigamit ng internet. And etong 4.2 na to, yung Hello Kitty nga na to, ako lang ang gumagamit kasi naka-remember nga dito lahat ng mga passwords ko. So, yun. Hindi nga lang Facebook ang pwede nyong i-access doon sa ating Opera Mini for free. You can actually update your Twitter account. You can send tweets sa inyong mga Twitter followers like that. Guys, it's all for free again. So, guys, I hope you had fun. The purpose of this video, again, is to inform you that this is not a joke. I mean, you can access internet using your T23 Duo, and I think other phone can be. And Opera Mini 4.2, it's all for free. All you have to do is just log on to Facebook and look for the T23 Duo fan page. Hit the like button, and then go to the discussion, and then you will find there the complete instruction on how to download it, where to download it, and how to install it to your phone, how to configure it. So guys, thank you for watching again. If you want to follow me on Twitter, just type www.twitter.com/ilovejessg. That's me. Again, it's www.twitter.com/ilovejhezg. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you had fun. Thank you, guys.